Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 23rd, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from First Citizens Bank shares. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss First Citizens Bank shares' fourth quarter 2025 earnings report.
Let's start with a brief introduction to the company. First, Citizens Bank Shares is a top 20 U.S. financial institution with over $200 billion in assets. They recently reported their earnings for the fourth quarter of 2025. John, what are your initial thoughts on the report?
First Citizens Bank shares has shown solid performance this quarter, with strong return metrics and stable credit quality. The company has also made significant strides in loan growth, particularly in their global fund banking segment. Additionally, they returned $900 million to shareholders through share repurchases, which is a positive sign of their financial health.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve into the financials. First Citizens Bank shares reported a net income of $580 million for the fourth quarter, with an adjusted net income of $648 million. The adjusted earnings per share came in at $51.27, surpassing the forecasted EPS of $44.20 from 7 analysts. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a strong performance from First Citizens Bank shares. The adjusted EPS of $51.27 significantly beats the forecast, indicating that the company has managed its operations efficiently and capitalized on its strategic initiatives. The increase in net income and adjusted net income reflects their ability to generate higher profitability despite a challenging economic environment.
What factors contributed to this impressive earnings beat?
The key contributors include strong loan growth, particularly in the global fund banking segment, and effective cost management. Additionally, the company's focus on returning capital to shareholders through share repurchases has also played a role in enhancing shareholder value.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, First Citizens Bank shares reported a net interest income of $1.72 billion, with a net interest margin of 3.20%. They also achieved a loan growth of $3.17 billion. John, how do these figures reflect on the company's operational strategy?
The net interest income and margin indicate that First Citizens Bank shares is effectively managing its interest-earning assets and liabilities. The loan growth of $3.17 billion, particularly in the commercial bank segment, showcases their ability to expand their lending portfolio. Additionally, the BMO branch acquisition, which involves acquiring 138 branches, is a strategic move to enhance their market presence and deposit base.
What are the prospects for the company in 2026?
With a strong capital and liquidity position, First Citizens Bank shares is well positioned for growth in 2026. The BMO branch acquisition is expected to close in the second half of the year, which will further strengthen their market position. The company's focus on innovation and expanding their banking services will likely drive future growth.
Capital and liquidity management. Let's discuss capital and liquidity management. First, Citizens Bank shares returned $900 million to shareholders and repurchased 479,470 shares. Their liquidity position stands at $56.1 billion, with a Tier 1 capital ratio of 11.91%. John, how does this reflect on their financial stability?
The capital return and share repurchase demonstrate the company's commitment to enhancing shareholder value. Their strong liquidity position and robust capital ratios indicate financial stability and resilience. These factors provide a solid foundation for the company to pursue growth opportunities and navigate potential challenges in the financial markets.
How does this impact investor confidence?
Investors are likely to view these actions positively, as they reflect the company's strong financial health and prudent capital management. The ability to return significant capital to shareholders while maintaining a strong liquidity position is a testament to their effective financial strategy.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, First Citizens Bancshares has delivered a robust performance in the fourth quarter of 2025, with an adjusted EPS of $51.27, significantly beating the forecast. The company has shown strong loan growth and returned $900 million to shareholders. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
First Citizens Bancshares is well positioned for continued growth with a strong financial foundation and strategic initiatives like the BMO branch acquisition. Their focus on innovation and expanding their banking services will likely drive future success. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in 2026.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on First Citizens Bancshares' performance in the comments below.